Today we're looking for input on what kind of content you would like to see on our channel next, right now. Since we just finished our Trek Plane Old School Style series, we're looking for input on what you, our subscribers, would like to see next. I will include a list of options in the description for this video, so please leave a comment and let me know which you would like to see. And now it's time for our Featured Friday Channel of the Week. The Featured Friday Channel of the Week this week is the Cowboy Valley and Timberline Junction Railroad. Like me, owner Claude Crest is building an H-13 railroad that interchanges with an H-13 standard gauge railroad. His channel features layout updates and videos of Colorado narrow gauge trains that he has ridden on. I highly recommend you head over to his channel and check out all of his videos. He was even kind enough to offer to build switches for me with his fast track jigs, and is even sending me a couple of the narrow gauge ones to check out. What a great fellow narrow-minded mile railroader. Thanks, Claude.